The aviation industry is at a turning point. The race is on for airports to become the next generation of global hubs powering connectivity, trade, tourism, and even energy production like never before. I'm delighted to invite you to our most important event of the year, the ACI Asia Pacific and Middle East Regional Assembly, Conference and Exhibition from 15 to 17 April 2025 in New Delhi, India, to explore how an increasing number of airports are stepping up to become the nerve centers of global connectivity. This year's conference will tackle some big questions. What are the strategies to explore new revenue streams and enhance passenger experience? How can we strengthen security, sustainability, and workforce for future growth? And how can airports optimize loads and ACDM for seamless operations? Hosted by Delhi International Airport, one of the fastest growing aviation hubs in the world, we can't wait to welcome you in India. See you there.